everyone, it's Kerry Kennicott, your no pressure car guy here at Kia North in Windsor, Colorado. Today I want to show you the newly redesigned 2023 Kia Niro. The 2023 Niro is a completely redesigned from the previous model year. Also has better gas mileage now. The average gas mileage on the Niro hybrid is going to be 50 miles a gallon. Some get up to 56 miles a gallon depending on trim level. As far as wheels, you got 16, 17, 18-inch wheels. Sunroof is option in multiple different trim levels. Kia Connect is standard, which is the app that you download on your phone, which allows you to start the car, stop the car, set the climate control. If you have teenage drivers, you can also do geofences, speed limits, curfews. If you lose your car, you can open the app. It's going to tell you where you parked it. There's also stolen vehicle recovery if your vehicle is ever stolen. And then you're going to get the Harman Kardon radio if you look at the higher two trim levels. They're very big on all their safety features. So you're going to have the forward collision avoidance, with the pedestrian and cyclist detection, blind spot warning with parallel exit assist, blind spot collision avoidance where it will actually stop you from going in the next lane if there's somebody there. On every new Kia that we sell here at Kia North, we put a free lifetime powertrain warranty on it. If you have any questions about these vehicles, feel free to call or stop by the dealership in Windsor, Colorado.